Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with a brand new video. I hope you're all well. As we stopped in the previous video and I told you that this video is only based on photosynthesis, the introduction to photosynthesis, and in the next video we'll talk about the stomata, the structure of stomata and the working of stomata, and the third part of the video, we'll talk about the occurrence and end products of photosynthesis. So this is part 2 of the topic, and in this video we'll talk about stomata, the structure of stomata and the working of stomata. Okay, let's begin with the video. Alright, so the structure of stomata. Each stoma is surrounded by two bean-shaped cells which are called the guard cells. These guard cells. These two bean-shaped cells which look like rajma, most probably, these are known as the guard cells. Okay, the inner wall of the guard cell is thicker than the outer wall. Alright, the inner wall means this inner wall is thicker than the outer wall because they have to constantly open and close. That is why they need to be thicker comparatively. Alright, now let's talk about the working of the stoma. Let me introduce you the parts as well. Now this is the stomatal pore or the stomatal opening. Then we have the epidermal cells present here as well, and this is green part is the chloroplast. This is a cell organelle. We'll discuss about this as well in the upcoming videos, inshallah. Now let's talk about the working of stomata. Okay, so now the main function of stomata is to let carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enter the leaves to enable photosynthesis. As I told you in the previous video as well, that carbon dioxide entered the leaves through the stomata. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through the stomata, and then through the stomata it goes to the epidermal cells which contain the chlorophyll. Okay, to enable photosynthesis. Now during daytime, when the light is, when they can easily grasp light, so during daytime stomata open to allow carbon dioxide enter the leaves. Okay, and during the night time synthesis of food does not occur. Okay, because there is no light, so energy is not there, right? So we all, like for example, let's take the example of human only. Okay, so in the night time we all feel low and we sleep because energy, because entire day we have been working, and at the night it's time to rest, give our body rest. So similarly in the daytime the leaves get energy from the sun, but at the night the sun is not there, it's in a resting time, so the leaves also rest like us only. Okay, so at night synthesis of food does not occur, hence the stomata close in order to stop the loss of water through transpiration. We'll discuss about transpiration as well. Transpiration, we can see, is a process in which the leaves lose water in the form of water vapor. That is why during the night time the synthesis of food does not occur, the stomata close, so that access of water may not get out of the leaves, or transpiration might not occur at night. All right, now during the daytime the guard cells, these guard cells absorb water from the adjacent epidermal cells. Like in the previous video I showed you a picture of the zoomed view of a leaf, right? So in that we saw the epidermal cells as well. So the guard cells absorb water from the adjacent epidermal cells, means which are present here. These are the epidermal cells. Okay, now this causes the guard cells to swell and bulge outwards. Like if you compare both the two pictures, okay, this is an open stomata and this is a closed stoma, I'm sorry. So in this video, in this picture you can see that in this the guard cell is swollen, and in this it is kind of thin. Okay, so what is the cause of this? As I told you, the guard cells swell and bulge outwards because during daytime the guard cells absorb water from the adjacent epidermal cells, and during the daytime the stomatal opening is open, and during the nighttime it is closed, and that is why there is no water present, no water is absorbed from the epidermal cells to the guard cells. That is why it becomes thinner as compared to the stomatal pore which is present in the daytime, during the daytime. Okay, this causes the guard cells to swell and bulge outwards, resulting in the opening of the stomata. As the guard cells bulge and swell, the stomatal pore or the stomatal opening, it opens. All right. During the night time, the guard cells lose water like the water which is there inside the guard cells, they lose water. Due to this, they lose their turgidity, and stomata closes. And like it was having water, that is why it was swallowing, and the stomata was also open, right? But during the night time, they lose water, that is why they lose their turgidity, and that is why the stomata also closes. So how simple is this? Really simple, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. So this video was entirely based on stomata. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed watching the video as well. So in the part 3 of the video, we'll discuss how does photosynthesis occur and the end products of photosynthesis. So meet you in the next video inshallah. Until then, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.